In this video, we are going to evaluate the current architecture, which is the event-driven microservice architecture. You can see the image of way of learning and the course flow. We have designed and adapted the architecture. Now it is time to evaluate the current architecture to understand benefits and drawbacks. There are still some of the issues that we have evaluated when working with the microservices and applying event-driven architecture. Here you can see the benefits of this architecture. The first benefit is event streaming. This architecture provides these benefits, and we will start with the event streaming. And event streaming allows us to capture and process a stream of events in real time. And another benefit is real-time processing. By applying the event-driven microservice architecture, real-time processing is achieved by using a message queue or event bus or event hub to publish and consume events as they occur. And another benefit is high volume events. By applying the event-driven microservice architecture, it is also well suited to handling high volume events, as they can scale horizontally by adding more events consumer as needed. So that means we can scale these subscriber services when there is high volume events into our event hub. So that means we can automatically scale our services as per the high volume events incoming to event hub. And another benefit is decoupled services. Microservices are independent of each other and communicate through the events, which allows for greater flexibility and easy maintain with decoupled services. And we can say that now it is increased scalability. Microservices can be scaled independently of each service, which allow for better resource utilization and faster deployment. And as a benefit, we can also say resilience. If one of the microservices fails, it doesn't affect the overall system, as other microservices can continue to publish and subscribe the events. So every architecture has benefits and drawbacks. So now we can focus on the drawbacks. The first drawback is always increased complexity. So building an event-driven architecture, it can be complex design, as it involves designing and implementing event-based communication between microservices. It will increase the complexity. And another main drawback is hard to debugging. It can be challenging to debug event-driven systems, as it can be difficult to trace the flow of the events through the system. This is the pain point of these event-driven architectures. And another drawback is add latency. Event-driven systems can suffer from latency issues if the events take a long time to propagate through the system. And another drawback is integration into distributed transactions. Integrating new microservices into event-driven applications can be difficult, as it requires the designing and implementing event-based communication with existing microservices. So for example, you can think that if we try to add new microservices into the distributed transaction with using events, it is really hard to integrate new microservices into distributed transactions. So event-driven microservice architecture can provide many benefits, but also it requires careful planning and design to ensure that it is implemented effectively.